G'day guys, in today's video I'm going to draw a cool character called the Quarterback from Stumble Guys. Let's start with the top of his helmet. So a big curved line like so, coming into a little bit of a peak. He's looking to the right, so that's why it's like this. A little bit of an up line there and a cross. Okay, a line across here for the bottom of the helmet. Then it turns into the grill. So this comes down, bring that down, and then he's got the side part of his grill. Little line like so, and then there's the back of his head will come down here, and then he's got a part of a grill that comes across. Now this is quite tricky. So we're going to bring it across. This is where you could use some construction lines if you wanted to. Then up, another line coming down there, that's part of the grill, and then the grill comes across, all the way across. Directly under here we have another part, so that's the inner part of the grill. He's got his face, so he's bring his head, because his head would sit up and into there, into the helmet, so bring his head line down here. Then we can put his eyes on, so one in the middle and another one here, like so. Now we've got this part goes directly underneath there. We've just got to bring a couple of little lines down, comes across. So just near his eye, he's got another couple of little lines coming down, part of his grill. That comes across, and then just to the right of here we've got another couple of little lines, and then here we have the remaining part of his helmet coming down. So it comes down, down, and now we've got to draw the bottom part of his helmet, so it comes out from there, around, big curve, back up, down and around, back up, down, around like this, up. Now we can go back over some of these lines. There's his grill and his head. This is his head, comes down and around, and his head's sort of in behind there as well. And this comes down and around like that. That's the other part of his head. Now let's finish this part off, where it holds all the bits. And the lips on that side, and there's the helmet so far. That's probably the trickiest part of this picture. Now we've got the V-neck, comes down, back up and around like this. So two lines like that. Then his shoulder comes down. And you don't see much of this arm, so this is his chest. Waist. Now this arm you see a fair bit of. So let's bring his big arm and his thumb around like that. Now he's got this part here, wraps around, little red part, comes in, and then big shoulder pads coming up and around. And he's got a white part here. And over this side you'll just see a little bit of the red part of his arm, and then a little bit of his arm coming in, tucks in, sort of in behind there. Now he's got his leg, so here comes around like so, with a white stripe through there, and then he's got the other leg is more side on, looking out like this. And he's got a white stripe there, and then it comes in like so. Now we've got a 3 on his chest, and so you could draw this with your favourite team if you wanted to. So straight line, down, angle, and then curve it around. Tricky part. Try and keep this all the same thickness, up, across, and a little bit down there. So try and line that up and that up. And there's the 3. Remember, drawing is practice. The more you practice, the better you'll get. Bring his leg down. This is more of a front-on boot. So his boot looks sort of like this, with a couple of little lace lines. White bit there. Then he's got his leg coming down like this. And then bring this out and around, and back up. 1, 2. If you wanted to put the sole on, you can put a sole on, but he's got black boots on anyway. But if you change the colour, you can do that how you would like. Don't forget these stripes.